Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix when your Windows 10 not showing desktop. It's a quick fix. Go to the start menu and search for tablet. Start tablet settings, type tablet settings. In this area, pinned files, and hit enter. And click on this text, change additional tablet settings, one click, and tablet mode, switch on off, and your Windows has been restored to original settings. To apply the change, select go back and select never use tablet mode, and select don't switch to tablet mode, and click on close, and this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.